that, huh? The moose.
Lots of mooses. There's one on your foot too, Zoe.
I think they're just moose.
It's two moose. Hey, Daddy?
Two moose. Oh.
Two moose, Zoe.
Mommy.
A daddy and a mommy.
Oh, came out.
Candy.
What's on it, Zoe? What are those?
Candy.
Candy. Careful. It's not real candy. It's gross.
Zoe, what about that one?
Zoe, what's that one?
Look in the back, Zoe. Look in the back. Look what he's carrying.
What's he got on?
Are those babies coming in there?
Babies?
Gouda.
That's Golda?
Is it Golda? Sure. Golda, do you need tissue?
Oh, what is that? What is that, Zoe?
Is that Mickey Mouse? It's a Mickey Mouse.
So you say hi?
It's a birdie.
What is... Yeah, that's right. Tweet, tweet. Well, lost the contents. There it is. What is that one?
Let's see it.
Zoe, show Daddy.
Where's that bag of hooks?
Oh, it's a
Oh,
clock.
it's over here.